All right, guys, today is the day. I've been waiting for this for months because of COVID and other things. Things just got pushed back. So today is the day. We're gonna go get the new wheels and tires for the X. So I hope you guys like what I picked out. I'm also gonna clean and ceramic coat them before I put them on the vehicle. And I'm just really excited about it. Ready to get them, ready to put them on, and then start the transformation of this Xterra. Yeah, boys, we got that junk. Woo! All right, time to go home, clean them up, ceramic coat them, and put these babies on. All right, guys, what do you say? Let's get these things unloaded. All right, guys, I just showed you a little sneak peek getting the wheels out of the Xterra. Now I've kind of mocked it up here on the front. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it looks. All right, guys, so here you go. We have black Rhino Chamber wheels. They are 17 by 8.5 with 0 offset. I know that most Xterra owners go with 285/70/17 tires. However, I didn't want to do any melt mod or cutting modifications at this point in time. So I wrapped the chambers in Cooper Discover AT3 4S 265/70/17 tires. I think this is a good setup. I think this is a good combo. Should get a little bit of a poke. Shouldn't be any rubbing. And honestly, it's gonna make it look a little more aggressive. Nothing too flashy. And it has a little bit more of a military look, which is kind of what I was going for. So before I go ahead and mount these on the truck, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them thoroughly, get all this goop off, make sure the wheels are nice and clean, dry them up, ceramic coat them, and then slap them on the truck, and we'll see how it looks. Also, as you can see, just these guys sitting beside each other, already gonna gain some height whenever we put these on. Obviously the stock wheels are under a little bit of load right now, but I believe these, the new Coopers are about a 32-inch tire, so we should be gaining about roughly an inch or a little bit more compared to the stock setup. All right, guys, so as you can see, we just got them clean. I'm gonna go ahead and towel dry these right now. Then I'm gonna set them aside, let them dry overnight. And tomorrow we're gonna ceramic coat them and put them on the X. See you tomorrow. What is up, guys? It is the next day. The wheels have been drying overnight, and it is time to ceramic coat these wheels. In order to make sure that there is no residue or any kind of oils left on the surface of the wheel, I will first prep it with Car Pro Eraser. This is my go-to method. After all the wheels have been wiped down with eraser, I will give it 20 minutes just to make sure everything's nice and dry. Then I'm gonna follow with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light for the base coat. And then I'm gonna put a topper on G-Technic Exo V4 to give it more longevity and durability. All right, let's jump into it, get these knocked out, and then put them on the Xterra. All right guys, I finally got them all coated. One coat of Crystal Serum Light as the base layer, and then one coat of XO V4 as a topper. And if you're wondering about the time frame, it took about 2 hours to prep and put both layers on the wheel. Now that we have the wheels protected, the last thing we have to do is go ahead and put them on the truck. Let's go. All right, at the beginning of this video, I told you that this thing was not gonna rub the tire size, but if you see here, right there, there is a little bit of rubbing. It's not bad, hardly even notice it really, and it only happens if it's full lock. So I don't think I'm gonna worry about that right now, and I'm definitely not gonna do any trimming or melt mods just for that little bit of rubbing. Alrighty guys, that's going to complete this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the new tire and wheel combination. Also, if you have any questions about the products that I use in this video, please leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Next up for the Xterra, I'm installing new LED fog lights. So make sure, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.